ഇന്ന് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ജെനറ്റിക്സ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പിൾസ് ഓഫ് ഇൻഹെറിറ്റൻസ് ആൻഡ് വേരിയേഷൻ എന്ന നമ്മുടെ ലെസണിലെ ഇൻഹെറിറ്റൻസ് ഓഫ് വൺ ജീൻ എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കിനകത്ത് വരുന്ന കുറച്ച് പ്രോബ്ലംസ്, കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിനുള്ള സൊല്യൂഷൻസുമാണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1, ഡിഫൈൻ ആൻഡ് ഡിസൈൻ എ ടെസ്റ്റ് ക്രോസ്. The crossing of an F1 hybrid with its recessive parent is called test cross. It is the definition of test cross. The crossing of an F1 hybrid with its recessive parent is called test cross. ഈ ടെസ്റ്റ് ക്രോസിനെ നമുക്ക് ഇനി ഡിസൈൻ ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിവിടെ എടുക്കുന്ന പാരൻസ് വയലറ്റ് ആൻഡ് വൈറ്റ് കളേർഡ് ഫ്ലവർ. This violet represents for male and white represents for female. Its genotypic expression is the capital W and W. White, its genotype is small w and W. Its gametes, this both parents are homozygous, so its gametes is same. So we take capital W from this violet flower and small w from the white flower. During F1 generation, this capital W and small w join together to form heterozygous condition, capital W and a small w. It is a heterozygous condition. It is called violet. Its phenotype is violet because one is dominant, this small w is the recessive, dominant is expressing character, so it is read as violet. Then in test cross, this F1 generation, it is the F1 generation. This capital W and small w crossed with its recessive parent. Recessive parent is the small w and small w. This is the test cross. F1 generation crossed with its recessive parent. In the two gametes are formed. One is the capital W and another one is the small w. Then from this both are the same, so we take only one, that is small w. Then it fused together to form capital W and small w. Then this side capital W, small w and small w. This is a form violet and this form white. These offsprings are the F2 generation. Next question. A child has blood group O if the father has blood group A and mother blood group B. Work out the genotypes of the parents and the possible genotypes of the other offsprings. This question given, child has blood group O, child blood group O, father blood group A, mother's blood group B. Work out the genotype of the parents. We want to find the genotype of parents and the possible genotype of the other offsprings. In this question, we want to find two questions. First one is the find out the genotype of parents. Second question is the find the possible genotypes of other offsprings. Okay. In our question giving, offsprings is O group, father A, mother B. So we take IA and small I for father, IB and small I for the mother. Another possibility for forming A group, homozygous condition IA and IA. For B group, IB and IB. But if we take these two conditions, there is no possibility to form O group offspring. There is no recessive condition there, so this is no chance for taking genotype. So we take IAI and IBI. This is the father and this is the mother. The two possibilities, these are the parents. During gamete formation, IA and I from this side, from the father. From this side I, B and I, this from the mother. Then possible offsprings, IA, IB, from here, IA small I, from here, IB, I and last one I and I. Then this indicates AB, this A, this B, this O. One offspring is given in our question, that is the O. Another offsprings AB, A and B. Now first question, work out the genotype of parents. Genotype of parents is I, A for father, I for father, I for the mother. This is the genotype of parents. Then next question, work find the possible genotype of the other offsprings. Other offsprings are A, B, A and B. Okay, you can understand. Then what will be the blood group of the children of the following mating? This two condition is given in our question. We want to find the blood group of children. Condition 1, IA small I crossed with IA IB. This is the A group. This is the AB group. These two are the parents. These two parents crossed. Which offsprings are formed? This is our question. This parents is given in our question. Which is the offsprings formed with mating of these parents? First one is the IA. We study the law of segregation. During gamete formation, each alleles separate and segregate to each other. According to this law, these alleles segregate to form gametes. IA or I. In this side, IA and IB. Then forming F1 generation. This is the F1 generation. This IA and IA crossed with IA homozygous IA condition. This read as A group. Then this IA crossed with IB. This is the heterozygous condition IA and IB. This is read as AB blood group. Then small I crossed with IA. This is the heterozygous condition. This is called blood group A. Then I and IB. This is the B group. Their possible offsprings are A, AB, A and B. Four offsprings are formed. A, AB and B groups are formed with the mating of these parents, these two parents. Next condition, IA, IB crossed with I and I. In the gametes are the IA and IB. From here, I and I. In F1 generation, two possibilities of offsprings. First one is the IA, I. This is the heterozygous condition. Then again IA and I. Then IBI and IBI. Two type of offsprings are formed here. One is the A group, another one is the B group. Okay. Question. A heterozygous tall plant is crossed with a homozygous dominant plant. What is the result in F1, F2 generations? Explain with adequate illustration. In this case, conditions is given in the homozygous tall plant crossed with homozygous dominant plant. Parents are homozygous tall plant and a homozygous dominant plant. Now question, heterozygous tall plant. Heterozygous capital T and a small t. Heterozygous tall plant crossed with homozygous dominant plant. Homozygous dominant means capital T, homozygous dominant. During gamete formation, this side capital T and a small t, this side only capital T. Then F1 generation, capital T, this is the homozygous tall, then capital T and small t. This is the homozygous dominant tall plant. This is the heterozygous tall plant. During F1 generation, 1:1 is the ratio. 1:1 is the ratio of F1 generation. Then in F2 generation, this capital T crossed with capital T small t. During F2 generation, we get this same type of individuals because this same parents we crossed in there. So in the ratio is 1:1. Okay. The type of inheritance in which the genotypic ratio is the same as the phenotypic ratio also give the ratio. In Mendel's laws of monohybrid cross, incomplete dominance. The incomplete dominance, the phenotypic and the genotypic ratio are same. In incomplete dominance, the genotypic and the phenotypic ratio are same. Phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. This 1 represents red, then 2 represents pink, and next one represents white. Its genotypic ratio, that is the 1:2:1. This one for capital R, 2 capital R, then small r. In incomplete dominance, the phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same, that is 1:2:1. In man, 4 types of blood groups A, B, AB and O are controlled by 3 alleles of a gene. Name the type of inheritance involved in blood group. We know that is the multiple allelic inheritance. Multiple allelic inheritance. Next question. A man with blood group A marries a woman with blood group B. Their child has blood group O. What are the genotypes of their parents? B. What are the other genotypes and in what ratio would you expect in the offspring from this marriage? The same type question we do just before. You try to write its answer. We know genotype of the parents IA, IO and IB, IO. We are selecting this heterozygous condition because the one clue is including in our question, that is the child has blood group O. Child has blood group O. So this I and I in the homozygous condition forming the O group. So we take the parent genotypes IA, I and IB, I. This is the man, this is the woman. Then from here IA, I, from here IB and I. This is the gametes. First one IA, IB, then second one IAI, then IBI, then I and I. This is the F1 generation. In the AB, A, B and O. The other possible genotypes are AB, A, B, the ratio 1:1:1:1. In F1 generation, A, B and O. These all groups are coming in the F1 generation. We take in the parallel generation. Parent gametes are the IAI, IBI. Okay.